BattlEye kicked me from the session in GTA Online, and we are fixing that right now. This persistent BattlEye kicked me error stops your game cold, but this guide has the immediate solutions you need. First up, we're going to verify your game files. This process checks for any corrupted or missing game data that BattlEye might flag, ensuring a clean slate for your game. If that doesn't clear the error, the issue often lies with BattlEye's own temporary files, which can become corrupted. So, for our second method, we'll clean out the BattlEye folder entirely, allowing it to reinstall fresh. Sometimes the game just needs elevated permissions to run correctly and avoid these security warnings. That's why method 3 involves running GTA Online as an administrator, giving it the access it needs to communicate properly without interference. Finally, if the problem persists, it could be your network hardware acting up. Outdated network drivers can cause connection instability, leading BattlEye to disconnect you. Method 4 will guide you through updating those crucial network drivers to ensure a solid connection.